final result of the Cucurbit pulse. Yes, see how beautiful. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hopefully all of you are doing well. It's Chandni and welcome to Chandni's channel Super Kitchen. Now, today I will cook a traditional dish that Bengali people loves. Now, this is pulse and this is Cucurbit. Now, Cucurbit is commonly known as lau in Bengali, but the English term is Cucurbit. As you are watching an English teacher cook, so you might as well learn a lot of English with me. Now, here, this is the herb. It's really important, so you must use all this in all the curries that you make. So I'm going to make a Cucurbit pulse curry and you will see what it is. So I need a Cucurbit and pulses that I've already washed and rinsed well. So I need onion, I need tomato, I need this garlic, and I need ginger. And I'll be needing magical spices, which I will make and I'll show it to you. So I'm sharing all my magics with you. What's happening, people? So pickled chilies are really amazing and they have amazing taste. Okay, so I have added the pickled chili that I already spoke about. So, you know people, that if you add pickled chili, then it's not even necessary for you to add lemon separately. Because sometimes lemons are unavailable and it's difficult to keep them for a long time in the refrigerator. So I'll be using turmeric. So I have used like a half teaspoon turmeric, not much, just half teaspoon for the color. Yes. So now I will add enough salt. Now I cannot tell you how much salt to put in because that's up to you. So I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of salt because I believe, no, a little bit more, maybe 2.5 because it's teaspoon people. And it's going to be a little bit runny and watery, so I need to put in enough salt so that the taste is amazing. Now I will put enough water into it, and do not use tap water, always use filter water. So I'm pouring in filter water and I will put enough water so that it boils perfectly. So I will put this to boil. Yes. So I believe, no, let me put a little bit more. Yeah, this is fine. So I will put this to boil, and in the meantime, I'll prepare rest of them. I use another knife and just peel it off like this because, you know, it's a green ginger. Now, I believe that if you just add finely chopped garlic and ginger, then it adds more flavor rather than just mashing it up. Okay, so now you are going to see my spice mix, and you'll be amazed that the spice is nothing but it's just cumin, so black cumin, so 2 pinches of black cumin and 3 pinches of brown cumin. And here, this is known as pachforon in Bengali, and in Russian it's the mixed spice, which has mixture of many spices. A little bit of sugar. Now, chilies, but I will add some dry red chili because I love dry red chili, and I really love the smell when they burn in mustard oil. And I like to use mustard oil because it's quite healthy than our regular oil that we have. Okay viewers, so while I made sure that my pan is really hot, and after that I poured in mustard oil and the regular oil that we use, make sure that everything caramelizes together. Yes. So see how it's bubbling up. Amazing. And the smell of... Okay, now I will pour in the cucurbit. Oh, I'm sorry. One has fallen down. I'm so clumsy. Yes. So the cucurbit here. Okay, so I have poured in the cucurbit there, and I have poured in, no, I put in actually the onions and ginger and everything into my spice mixture. Yes. So wait and see what happens. Okay people, so are you ready? Now the magic of taste is going to happen when I will pour in, yes, this spice. So I have poured in that spice, and this cucurbit pulse finally looks like this. It's beautiful, and you can't even imagine the taste. You can't even imagine. Okay people, so this is the final result of the cucurbit pulse. Yes, see how beautiful it looks, right? It's amazing. So make it and have it with steamed rice or tortilla or anything you like. It's an amazing vegetarian dish and you will love it, I bet. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you want to watch more videos like this where I will cook this sort of amazing dishes. And yes, it's the fusion cooking. Thank you so much. Bye bye.